How to properly set up OBS. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can properly set up OBS Studio. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, there isn't a such word as properly setting up OBS. It all really depends upon the personal settings, the games, and your webcam that you'd like to stream on. So first of all, to configure some of the settings that you might want to stream, on the right hand side, you can see controls. Under the controls tab, you'll find the settings options. So just make sure to go to settings. Once you go to settings, on the left hand side, you can see stream. So make sure to select the stream option. And here you'll find service, under which you'll find Twitch. So depending upon whichever service you'd like to stream on, you want to make sure to connect the account. Then under that, you'll find the option called output, where you'll find the streaming option as well as also the recording option. Depending upon which one you'd like to use, you can simply select a certain quality depending upon whatever else. And once you select those, click the apply option and then make sure to set it up and ready for streaming. If you'd like to change your webcam settings, you can select your webcam, right click, you can go to filters, you can select blending mode, you can transform horizontally or vertically depending on what else you'd like to configure. This way you should be able to set up your OBS streaming properly and all the settings and configure them. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.